1991 Ford Mustang 5.0. Still got the stock converters there and there. And then it's got two more there and there. It's got a factory H-pipe. And then we did a muffler delete right there and right there. And then it's got 2.5-inch factory tailpipes. Looks like it's been replaced before. So it's a 2.5-inch system with 2.25 stock factory cats. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. It is standard too. Hope you guys like the sound. The 5.0s never disappoint. Had some 40 series Flowmasters on it. It wasn't too loud. He's like, I want it louder. And hit up his YouTube channel. It's called Mike 5.0, but the 5.0 spelled out. It's a really nice Mustang. What you guys hear on the All right, guys, have a great day. Hey, man, you got to go beast mode on it, okay?
Hey, if I saw your bed in my pussy.
I won't. We'll cut it out if you do. No, it's the same, like 5 5.0 LX series.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.